She has mentioned me severally. That I'm a foot soldier to Wetangula. I don't know. We are working together with Wetangula. We are maiming people. Maiming who? So you tell us. Who are these youths we are training? Where? Give us substantial evidence.
Youth leaders from Bungoma County have condemned remarks made by the Bungoma Women Representative Reginalda Wanyonyi over the weekend.
We, the youth leaders from Bungoma and other parts of the country, are dismayed by the irresponsible statements made by Reginalda Wanyonyi, the Women Representative of Bungoma County. While in Kandui over the weekend, during the issuance of constituencies Uwezo Fund at Kenya Medical Training College,
Ms. Wanyonyi claimed that prominent politicians were training and arming youth in the county with the aim of causing mayhem in the region. In the remarks that appeared on a local daily on Monday, the legislator claimed that pickups were seen transporting machetes in Kabuchai constituency.
It should come clear to who is this senior politician funding, training, and recruiting the youth into the alleged gang or militia that has claimed the lives of more than 70 people since October 2013. She should tell the public who are these youths being trained. He should give the number plates of the pickup trucks she saw entering Bungoma full of machetes and crude weapons she alleges that are planning to cause mayhem or violence in Bungoma County. She should also name all those politicians that caused the termination of human life up to exceeding 70 people. She should also shed more light on how she has linked the 4 people who were injured in a place called Kimukungi and Sikusi and the massacres that have been going on in Bungoma County.
They are now calling upon the County Commissioner Mohamed Maalim to arrest her, failure to which they'll take the law into their own hands.
And if the County Commissioner is not working, we will deal with him. And I'm promising this, you know me. We are going to deal with the County Commissioner, if not ruthlessly, circumphoniously, within the lapse of 5 days.
Bungoma witnessed a series of horrendous attacks in April 2013 when attackers invaded villages in Kandui and Bumula constituency, killing and maiming several of its residents.
The people who were killing others were known. But all that I hear in the political circles, there is blame game. Today they are talking about this, tomorrow they are talking about this. There are no arrests. How can we lose over 70 people? And until today, the police commissioner cannot even tell us one person that has been brought to book over the maiming and killing of our brothers and sisters.
Reporting for KTS from Nairobi, my name is Ngotho Ndongo.